Good morning, my little ones. How are you all today? Fit and happy? So, give me a broad smile. Wow, amazing. Children, I am your Goldie ma'am. So, today I am here with an interesting topic in general awareness. Do you remember, children, what you learned in the last session of general awareness? Tell me your favorite topic. Yes, you learned about games. Children, do you know playing games is very important for us because it helps us to relax and keeps us healthy and energetic. Children, how many types of games are there? Yes, there are two types of games. Indoor games and outdoor games. You all have already learned about indoor games in the last session. So children, do you remember what are indoor games? Yes, indoor games are the games that are played inside the house or in a closed area. So let's first revise about indoor games. Puzzles, board game, blocks, carom, toys, ludo, snakes and ladders. It's so nice to play outdoor, play outdoor, play outdoor. It's so nice to play outdoor when we are all together, when we friends are together, when we friends are together. This is the way we play with ball. Play with ball when we are all together, when we are all together. So children, let's today learn about outdoor games. Children, outdoor games are the games that we play outside the house in an open area. Children, outdoor games are very beneficial for us. आपको पता है आउटडोर गेम्स खेलने से हमें कितने फायदे होते हैं बच्चों? Yes, it builds our immunity, it helps us to develop our communication skills and we remain active. Playing with a ball in the garden or in the open. हाइड एंड सीक. बच्चों, हाइड एंड सीक को हिंदी में लुका छुपी कहते हैं. इन दिस गेम नंबर ऑफ प्लेयर्स इज एटलीस्ट 3. इन दिस गेम one player covers his or her eyes until the other players have hidden themselves, and then he or she tries to find them. Here the main challenge is of getting into perfect hiding place. और इस गेम को खेलने से बच्चों क्या फायदा होता है आपको पता है? This game helps to improve the coordination between the players. Football. This game is played between two teams of 11 players each. In this game, the players try to pass and force the ball towards the goal post. This game encourages teamwork and discipline. Basketball. It is played between two teams of 11 players each. In this, the players make the goal by throwing, passing the ball to shoot through the high basket, and the goal point is on the opposite team's side. This game helps in muscle strengthening and also increases the concentration level of the players. Blindfold children, इस गेम में एक बच्चे की आंख पर पट्टी बांधी जाती है और फिर वह देखे बिना दूसरे बच्चों को छूने और पकड़ने की कोशिश करता है. This game children encourages teamwork. Hopscotch बच्चों, hopscotch को हिंदी में स्टेपू भी कहते हैं. Children, this is the game which can be played by one player or several players. In this game, a player tosses a small object into numbered rectangles and then hop through the spaces to regain the object. This game helps children to build body strength and enhances eye-hand coordination. ये गेम तो आप बच्चे सब जानते हैं. Cricket. It is a bat and ball game played on an oval grassy field called ground. It is played between two teams of 11 players each. It is a very good outdoor game which helps in developing overall fitness, stamina, and eye-hand coordination. Now children, I will explain you the worksheet related to games. Children, in this worksheet, you have to look at the pictures and take the outdoor games. Can you tell me, children, what these children are doing? Yes, they are playing with toys. Where do you play toys? Inside the house. So, which game it is? Indoor or outdoor? Yes, it is an indoor game. So, you will not take. What these children are doing? They are playing hopscotch. Where do you play hopscotch, children? Inside or outside in the open space? Yes, you play hopscotch in the open space. So which game it is? Indoor or outdoor? Yes, it is an outdoor game. So you will take. What these children are doing? They are playing carom. Where do you play carom, children? Inside the house or outside the house? Yes, you play carom inside the house. So, it is an indoor game or outdoor? Yes, it is an indoor game. So, you will not take. These children are playing blindfold. So, tell me children, where do you play blindfold? In the garden? Yes. So, when you play outside the house and in the garden, it is an outdoor game or indoor? Outdoor. So, you will take. What these children are doing? They are playing with blocks. Where they are playing with blocks? Where do you play blocks? Inside or outside the house? Inside. So, it is an indoor or outdoor game. When you play inside, it is an indoor game. So, you will not take. Hope children, you had fun learning about outdoor games today. So, see you tomorrow with lots of surprises. Bye-bye.